Okay, we're back in the heat of things. I'm gonna let this run till it dies, which won't be long because last time I looked it had about 30% battery. See how many miles we went today. We're on 23 miles. Made almost pretty much a complete circle around Sanibel, and then we went around the preserve, so that was an extra 8. We do have e-bikes, but they only help you pedal. They're very helpful in a situation like right now because we got a headwind. We're about to hit Periwinkle Way. So we're on the big return from Captiva Island area.
Oh, I know where.
Riding our Wildfire Wildman e-bikes. Yeah, we're getting more in the congested part of town. We parked up here where you don't have to pay to park. Here comes a trike. Got a trike. Howdy. Fly rods. Okay. That looked like a snook. We had to cross the road. We had to cross the road and we were too dumb to do it. So, you want to go back to the path or you want to wait or turn? Go after the silver car. Gotta go left, of course. Yeah, we're back in the congestion, but that's okay too. Gonna pass on the left. We're gonna pass on the left.